Hello. So today I'm going to say links. So yeah, on LeetCode. Let's begin. It's in Java. So anyway, so like to start a comment. So to reverse the linked list, first one is we're gonna run an if statement saying if the head node is equal to null, then we'll just return the head node. Then we won't need to reverse the list. So turn head. So then we just won't need to reverse the list, we'll just return head. But else, if it's not, then what we have to do is we actually have to reverse the list. So to do a reverse a linked list, first of all, we want to loop through our list while our head node is not equal to null. And then just parentheses here, and then here what we're going to do is we're going to first of all keep track of our current node. So we want to keep track of our current node. Comments here, loop through list while head is not. Okay, so first then we'll keep track of our current node is equal to head dot next. So our head node, and then our head node, then we call dot next for the next node after head. So then what we're going to do is head dot next is equal to, and then here while we're at it, we'll keep track of our previous node too. Is equal to prev. This node is equal to prev, and for now we'll set it to null. Then here I'll just say keep track of previous node, and then I'll say the same thing here. We're going to keep track of our current node. Here, head.next is going to be equal to prev. Then what we're going to do is prev is equal to head. So we're going to initialize prev to head. Then first we're going to do head.next. So the next node after head will be prev. Then we're going to initialize prev to our head node. And lastly, this will be our last variable. Initialization, head is equal to a current node. Okay, so now just add some comments like init head. Comments are optional if you want to keep track of like notes in your code. Init head, it just stands for initialize. Init prev, and lastly here, next node after head. Now we have to do one more thing here. Return our previous node. Return prev. This should reverse our list. And here we can say comments here. Return head if it is null. Okay. Say if it is not null, continue with reversing the list. Okay, these comments give you a bit of like overview of what's actually happening in our code. So yeah, so this should be it. We're gonna now run it here. Let's run it. Okay. Okay, it says our answer was accepted. So our input was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then our output was 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, which is what we wanted, and that was the expected. So let's submit here. And yeah, so it was a success. Our submission was successful, and okay, so yeah, this was how to reverse a linked list in Java, which is a content interview.